The shares of Beyond Meat up nearly 3% today as the company is set to launch chicken in grocery stores. Kate Rogers is here with the details. Kate?
Hey, Kelly, Beyond announcing today its meatless chicken tenders are going to be available in select grocery stores in October, including Walmart, Harris Teeter, Giant Foods, and ShopRite. The tenders use faba beans as a protein source, and the company says they have about half the amount of saturated fat of a traditional chicken tender. Now, CEO Ethan Brown told me that the company is continuing to work on building out plant-based options for consumers so that if they're seeking an animal protein product, they'll also have a Beyond option to choose from in the future. Both ends, of course, of Beyond's business have been impacted by the pandemic as restaurants shuttered and consumers loaded their pantries with groceries last quarter. Grocery actually accounted for about 3/4 of Beyond's U.S. revenue. Brown said Delta has created a less clear landscape for Beyond than before the pandemic hit, but its products do continue to do well in retail, and he expects that this new product will be well received. Supply chain issues have not impacted the company or this product, he added. This is the continuation of this chicken rollout for Beyond, which launched its nuggets and strips in restaurants over this summer. Impossible Foods also launched its new chicken product made from soy protein in grocery and select restaurants. Now, Beyond Meat stock is higher, as you mentioned, by about 3% today, but down about 9% year to date. Kelly, back over to you.
Didn't they, Kate, just have a setback with, was it Dunkin' with the breakfast product?
Yeah, so last quarter this came up. Brown did say that they're still working with Dunkin', but it wasn't as widely available as it had been. I will note, though, in this most recent rollout of chicken, Beyond also added it was expanding its footprint, Kelly, with Walmart. So they're seeking, of course, to continue to reach more consumers and also lower that price point and eventually bring it below what traditional animal meat products would go for.
True, and that would totally change the equation, I'm sure, for people who might look to substitute. Kate, thank you. Kate Rogers with the latest on the Beyond Meat, the alt meat front, as we like to call it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.